Hello po, this is Vince. What I have here po is a ladies watch from Omega. It's from their DeVille line. As you can see po, no? So yung text sa lower part ng dial, DeVille is Omega's dress watch line, no? As opposed to their other watches that are Seamaster, Speedmaster, mga sports watches. DeVille is their line for their dress watches, no? They have these simple and elegant designs, as you can see. So, like I said po, no, this is a ladies watch, and it is about 20 millimeters na horizontally, no? 20 millimeters, so it's a bit small. I'll show it on my wrist in a bit. So, alright, no? This watch has a tono, I don't know pronounce it, but it's French for barrel. It's a parang rectangular shape with the curved sides po. Probably first used by Cartier with their Tonu watch. No, so yan po yung shape. It's gold, as you can see. Yung dial po ay sorry about that. Yung dial yan po ay gold rin with these vertical lines, no, running from top to bottom that give the watch a nice touch. The indices, no, are parang simple bar or stick indices are golden tone. They reflect the light nicely, no? Along with the hands, no? The hands are simple stick hand. No. Camera, please focus. Simple stick hands. So, let me show the case back. The case back shows nothing but the movement type inside, no? The movement type, if you can see at the bottom, is, wonder if it can show up on the camera. It's 1387. All right. 1387 po is a movement from the 1980s po, no, by Omega. And as you notice, wala po siyang crown. No? Walang crown yung watch, giving it a parang seamless look, sleek look. So, all right, why doesn't it have a crown? This is a button po, no? Sorry, getting the camera to focus. So how you adjust the time, no, is you press it with something small and rigid, like this tool I have for changing watch straps, no? So this is how you do it. So you press it once to move the minute hand by one position, no? So let me do that now. Watch the minute hand. Sorry, my hands are shaking. Wonder if it got to move. Hold on. Let me try again. My hands are not stable at the moment. Yan po ang gumagalaw. Pressing it over and over again. Hold on. Sorry. My hands are a bit shaky. Let me find the platform. Alright. So yan po, no? You press it once to move the minute hand once. Hold on. Yan. Moving it one. Every press corresponds to one movement of the minute hand. Okay. Now, how you might think, no, it's tedious to move it 1 minute at a time. So how do you move the hour hand? You hold it, no? You hold the tool on the button, maybe about 4 seconds or so. So let's see that now. It looks cool actually. Yan. See? It moved an hour. Let's try that again. Yan. Kind of cool actually. And I read online po, no, yung ganitong movement, the push button movement, I think, if it's accurate, it consumes less battery daw compared to your other types of movement. Maybe because there isn't a second hand that ticks. I forgot the reason, no, but supposedly, no, the battery lasts longer on these types of movements, no. If I took a photo of the movement, and I think I did, I'll put it up on the screen right now, or maybe I'll put it up earlier in the video. Okay, now that we're done with the watch itself, I'll show that this watch comes with an original Omega signed buckle. The leather strap comes with an Omega signed in part. Wonder if I can get it to show up. It's a bit embossed. There's a depression. I don't know if that's the right term, but I think it's embossed on the leather. As you can see faintly, Omega. Starting here. Omega. Come on, light, please. There we go. There's an O and M. I can see on the camera. Pero, yun lang. The strap seems to be Omega branded. The buckle is Omega signed. Strap is a bit old now, but I think it's still usable. But I do warn that it's a bit old. Nonetheless, at least it's Omega signed. So yun lang naman po about this watch. No, I'm not yet done. This is how it looks on my 6.5-inch wrist. Let me zoom out for a bit so you can see. Yan, that's how it looks. Hold on, let me remove my glove. So, yan po. That's how it looks on my wrist. Really tiny. So if you're a guy, don't mind tiny watches. This one looks good din po. Or, since this is a lady's watch, I am a lady's wrist mannequin po, no? And this is how it might look. Yeah, I think it belongs on a lady's wrist talaga. And po, no, as you can see, I forgot to mention pala, no, the crystal is pristine. No scratches on the crystal. I believe this is a mineral crystal. Nonetheless, it is a clean watch. Yun na naman po. That's all about this watch. I think I got the reference number in here somewhere in the photo. But yeah, that's all. Thank you. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask.